Hello everyone, welcome to my art address. My name is Tan, and today I will show you how I work with metallic colors in paint pouring. Let's start. The metallic colors I'm using today are pearl, brown and gold. However, metallic colors are quite transparent, so I often pair them with high opaque colors. In this case, I'm using blue. I also use a cake spinner in the video today to help me perform a quick swipe to get some sails. The paint mixture that I'm using today only contains water and Floetrol. The recipe, I will leave it in the description box below if you would like to know. Hey, if you enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more future videos. We are a team of 2. If you would like to support us, you can always buy us a coffee. The link in the description box below. The colors come together very well. However, I would like to have a brighter finish, so I'm adding a little bit more metallic white on the side of the painting to adjust that composition. Here it is! Such a beautiful dreamy effect from the metallic colors. I love it! I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comment below. See you next time. Ciao!